Hello friends. So next question in that is about to express about your daily activities or monitoring tool, that what is your experience with third party applications like backup monitoring tool, performance tuning, and why would you use them. So basically very frequently asked in interview question with that we can say the which level you are working, is it fresher, L1, L2, and whatever. Okay, so you have to know about all the tools for backup, monitoring, and performance tuning in the market if you are using or not. Simple. If you are using, this is very good. You have experience, that is very good. This is additional for you. That is bonus point. But if you're not using or the environment is not using, then you have to know about the backup tools and all monitoring tools. So here the list of backup tools. The basically Commvault backup tool, Tivoli. Okay, and these are the very frequently not used, but yeah, in the market basically people are used, they are used as per their requirement, or we can say that their budget. Okay, and this is a backup tool basically. Okay, here is that monitoring tool. So a Spotlight, Foglight, Solar Wind, IDEA Diagnostic, Manage Engine, App Dynamics. It is very frequently used this monitoring tool. But beside that, we have all the default tools. So basically, you can say that we are preferring that default tool of SQL Server, not using third-party tool. Basically, okay. This is the very straightforward answer. But if you are using, then you have to know about that backup tool or monitoring tool, how to configure, read the logs, what are you are capturing in that, what are the metrics you are looking for. Okay, so this is very frequent asked question in the market interview questions, we can say that nowadays. So thank you for watching. If you know the answer very well, this is good. You can just like, comment, and share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.